Hello and a very bright and a sunny morning to all of you. Hope you are all doing well inside your house. Yes. Okay children, so today we are going to do day 7 of our month book 2. We are going to do day 7. So when you come here on day 7, what can we see? We have a EVS worksheet and we see the clothes we wear in rainy season. In this month we are going to learn about the rainy season. What we are going to learn was we are learning about a rainy season. So what do we wear in a rainy season? We wear gumboots, we carry an umbrella and we wear a raincoat so that we don't get wet when we move outside during raining. Okay children, so when you turn the page and here what you have to do, here you have to do one drawing work. What you have to do, you have to color the raincoat. This is a raincoat and you have to color it blue. That is color rainy wear raincoat with blue color. So what you have to do, you have to color this raincoat blue in color. Okay children, now moving on to the next page, we are going to learn a new alphabet, that is the mummy letter and the baby letter F. Yes, I know we have already learned the mummy letter F, but now we are going to learn the baby letter F also. So this is the mummy letter F and this is the baby letter F. So children, first here we can see the pictures that start with the letter F. That is F for fan, F for fork, F for flower, F for fire, F for feather, F for fly. So these are the pictures and the objects that starts with the letter F. Here I have drawn few more pictures that starts with the letter F. That is the fish, frog, fingers, these are the fingers, then the fruits. Now number 4 and number 5, when we write the number notation of 4 and 5, it starts with the letter F. 4 and 5 का जो spelling है वो letter F से start होता है. Now I have written some more words also that starts with the letter F, that is fat, fun, family, food, friends, fountain. So children, now we are going to learn what is the formation. Okay, so when we write the capital letter F, what we have to do, we have to start it with the red line. You have to start it here with the red line. You have to make a straining line coming down till the second blue line. Then you have to make, in F, how many slipping lines we are making? We are making 2 slipping lines. So first slipping line should go over the red line and the second slipping line should go over the first blue line. So this is the formation of letter F. So standing line and 2 slipping lines. And as I always say, the slipping line should go over the given slipping line so that our work looks neat and clean. Our handwriting will look very neat. Okay children, now we are going to learn the baby letter F. So how will we do it? What we will do, we will start it from the second blue line. What we will do, we will start it from the second blue line. You go up till the red line. And now you just take a little turn like this. And you have to make a slipping line on the first blue line. You have to make the slipping line on the first blue line. One more time. Go from the second blue line, go up till the red line. Take a turn like this and make a slipping line. The slipping line should be small. It should not be too big. but the slipping line should be on the either side of, it should be here like this. It should cross the standing line. It should cross the standing line. Okay. So this was the formation of letter F. It was the mummy letter for the capital letter and the baby letter or the small letter F. Now I'm just going to teach you what is the phonic sound of F. F says F. So what we'll do, we'll just place our two hands like this as if we are putting air in and out and doing the action like this. So F says F. F says F. Okay. So that was the phonic sound of F. So this here you have to write the letter. First don't forget to trace the F. Okay children, so when you turn and you come on to the next page, here you have to color the picture of a water cycle. You have to color the picture of a water cycle. So I have already done it for you on the board. Okay children, first we'll just learn what is this. This is a land. What is this? Land. Now land ka matlab zameen. So land will be which color? It should be brown color. So you have to color it brown. So you color it brown. Water. Now which color is water? Water is sky blue. So you color it sky blue. You use the sky blue color. Okay. So water is now sun. Sun we know you have to color it yellow. So you have to color the sun yellow. And the clouds. Now you can color the one of the cloud grey also, because when it is raining the sky becomes dark because the clouds get dark in color. So this is the color, and when the rain drops you have to again do the blue color. Okay children. So now when you color the land, you have to use the brown color. Here in the water use the sky blue color. The sun is yellow. You can color one of the cloud grey and one of the cloud blue color. And when it is raining, these are the raindrops. So the droplets you have to color them blue. Okay children, now this arrow. This arrow you have to color them black. Color the arrow in black color. Okay children, now here in the water cycle, now they have given the 3 stages. तो ये 3 stages क्या है? That is evaporation. ये है evaporation. Evaporation का मतलब है जब water turn into steam. पानी जब steam बन जाएगा. फिर condensation. What is condensation? Condensation मतलब वो जब ऊपर जाके पानी that is it will get cool. जो cooling है उसको condensation बोलते हैं. Then is precipitation. Precipitation का मतलब है वो जब बड़े होते गए जैसे ही clouds वो वापस पानी बन के नीचे आने वाले हैं. So these are the stages, that is evaporation, condensation and precipitation. So this is all how you have to color the water cycle. So okay children, what have we done in the day 7? That is we have learned what are the things that the clothes we wear in the rainy season. Then we have to color the raincoat, that is blue in color. Then we learned was the letter F. And then we have to we have to color the water cycle. So here you have to color the water cycle. So that is all my children for the day 7. Okay, bye bye, see you and take care.